Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the Ferdinand, and it is going to be a fountain. It says it's the Ferdinand tabletop fountain for home and office decoration. Let's check it out. Okay. So let's see, here we go. Here's some instructions. Let's see what they look like. Assembly instructions, and that's them. If you need them, I guess pause and zoom in. Let's see what we got here. We have, I will assume this is the lid. Kind of cool, looks rock-ish. Everything's out of the box, so this is everything else. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so that was the top. Here is the fountain, so this is what it's going to look like here. I guess it's two people kissing, maybe? Okay. We got a little bag of rocks, little rounded rocks. We have a crystal ball, which I'm going to assume goes in the middle here. And then we have the pump with a little light. Cool, okay. And that's everything. And then, oh, I guess this is the bottom, not the top. Okay, let's aim you guys down so you can see what I do to assemble this. So we'll figure this out together. So here is the wire. So here, so if you look at the little pump, it's got little suction cups on the bottom. So that's what's going to suction cup it to the bottom of its little base here. And then it's got the tube, which will connect into here. So I'll put this in there. Okay, that's attached. And then, uh-oh, I guess I should have done it the other way first. Take this off. This little light has to go around. You can kind of see through there. It's got to go around there first. Okay, so now I have the pump on the bottom and the little ball here. Let me put some water in it. How far does the sink go over? That's probably enough for now. I'll put it right here. Let's plug this in. See what happens. And this is it here. So, oh, yeah, so it's got some water coming up and around it. So that's kind of how it looks. So it kind of puts some water there, and the ball kind of rotates a little bit. And I can put the rocks around the edge. There. Now it looks pretty. And I guess the wire goes up through the little hole there, so I can put it around the other way. So there, that's what it would look like. There, I guess I'm holding it up. The water's not going now. I ran out of water. But you get the idea. Very cool, very cute. See? And then the water goes around this, so it makes it a nice little fountain. So I'm going to say this is nice. Thumbs up, very cute. Cute indeed.